Hello again. This is lesson number 2. What do you remember about lesson 1? Well, we always start with a really good question. Here it is. Hello, how are you? Can you say that? Remember, when I go like this, you speak. Ready? Hello, how are you? That's great. What can we say to that question? I am fine. Can you say that? I am fine. I am good. I am great. I am great. I always feel great. We've got space for one more. What can we say? Fine, good, great. Oh, what's the last one going to be? I am wonderful. Oh, that one's really, really great, isn't it? You try. I am wonderful. Great, well done. Oh. Do you remember some words? Well, can you see the There it is. All the way over there. Do you remember some words? We're going to say them a lot, okay? So that you become an English superstar. Remember, put the sounds together. All the letters have sounds. We put the sounds together. Shall we try? K, A, T. What does that make? K, A, cat, 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 cat. Let's say the sounds. You can say them this time. You ready? K, A, T. Cat. Well done. There we are. Maybe that was very easy for you. But these are really important all the way through grade 1. If we can put the sounds together, you will be able to read lots and lots of words. Here's another one. B, A, G. What does that make? B, A, ba, G. Bag, bag. You say it. B, A, G. Bag. Great. You're very good at this. Well done. K, A. That's the same as cat. But this time, the last letter, the last sound is different. P, P. So what does that mean? K, A, cap. 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 Okay, well done. Can you do some more? What do you think? I think you can. Let's go. What does that make? Hat. Hat. You do it. H-A-T. Hat. Hat. Great, well done. B-A. We saw that before, didn't we? B-A. Bat. What does that mean? B-A. Bat. 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 Great, well done. Now we've got two words there. They're nearly the same. Hat, bat. Well done. One more. A. N. These are different letters. So let's practice this one. A. Ma. Ma. N. Man. Man. Great. All of these words are easy if you use the sounds. Okay, well done, guys. Can you say the words? Let's look at the pictures and you say what it is. They are all words with a in the middle. If you know the word, shout it out. Okay? The first one's easy. Oh, that was a big shout. Whoa, well done. What is it? Cat. Great. What's the next one? Cap. Cap. What's next? Bag. Bag. Very good. What's next? I think maybe this one is easy. Shout it out if you know it. Hat. Hat. The next one's difficult. What is this? Bat. Bat. And one more. Man. Man. Great job. We're going to mix them up now. Let's see. Can you say the words? I think the pictures are the same. We mixed them up. What's the first one? Bat. Great job. You shout out the word if you know it. Bag. Man. Cap. I think you're all going to shout this one. Are you ready? Well done. Well done. Cat. Great. So, can you remember what is the last picture going to be? You've got bat, bag, man, cap, cat. One more. That's right. Well done. Hat. Good job. Great job. Now, let's see if you can draw a line. First we've got the words. And here we've got the pictures. Shall we read the words 3. Man. And the one at the bottom, pan. So the one at the top, cap. Where's that? Is it picture number 1? No. Is it the red thing? That's right. Let's draw a line. Well done. The next word, bat. Where's that? Is it the one at the top? Oh, that's right, it is. Let's put a line in. Whoop. Well done. Word number 3, man. Is it the picture at the top? No. That is a bat. The red one? Cap. The black one? Nope. The picture at the bottom. Yes, that's right. Man. Shall we draw the line? Great. So, we've only got one more word. Down at the bottom. Pan. It must be that black one. Great. What is a pan for? We cook food in a pan. Great. Let's see if you can draw a line again. There are the words. Here are the pictures. Let's read the words. Hat. Cat. Fan. Down at the bottom, bag. There are the pictures. Let's do some thinking. Word number 1. Hat. Is that the picture at the top? No. What about the brown one? That's right. Let's draw the line. Zoom. We know the next one, don't we? Cat. That's right. Where is it? At the top? No. Then we have hat. Is it the next one? Yes, it is, of course. Let's draw the line. Great. What about the next word? Fan. At the top, is that a fan? Yes, it is. That's right. Let's draw the line. We've only got one word and one picture. What does the word say? Bag. Let's draw the line. Great job. We've got a question to ask now. Is it a We can put any word in there. Let's look at one. Is it a hat? Can you say that? Is it a hat? Is it a hat? Yes or no? Yes, it is. Okay, well done. Well, that's the same question, isn't it? Is it a hat? Is it a hat? Yes or no? No. No, it is not. Shall we say all of that? Are you ready? Let's start at the top. Is it a hat? Yes, it is. Down at the bottom. Is it a hat? No, it is not. Super. What a super job. Wow. Here's the question again. What are we going to look at this time? Okay. Can we read it? Is it a fan? Okay. Do you know what is a fan? Is it a fan? Yes? No. So what do we say? No, it is not. The same question again. Is it a fan? Is it a fan? Yes, it is. Can we read all of it? Are you ready? Let's start at the top. Is it a fan? No, it is not. Is it a fan? Yes, it is. Thank you. Well done. There's the question again. We're getting lots of really great practice and lots of really good talking. Well done. Is it a man? What can we say? Yes, it is. But this time we're going to add some more. It is a man. Okay. Now we can say two things. Yes, it is. It is a man. The question again. Is it a man? What do we say? No, it is not. What can we say at the end here? It is a fan. Can you try? Number one at the top. Is it a man? We're going to say two things now. So you listen and you say both of them. Ready? Yes, it is. It is a man. Well done. Let's do the one at the bottom. Is it a man? No, it is not. It is a fan. Well done. Is it a... What will we look at now? Go. Is it a bag? Oh, is that bag? Bag? Ah, you're right. No, it is not. It is a bat. Great. Is it a bag? Okay. What do we say? Yes, it is. It is a bag. Shall we do those? Yeah? Great. Come on then, guys. Is it a bag? No, it is not. It is a bat. Is it a bag? Yes, it is. It is a bag. Well done. Now, let's look at these two words. Bag, bat. Can you see that every sound is very important? At the end of the word, we've got g, bag. It's very small, but it's very important. Bat. T, t. So the sound at the end of the word makes it very different. If you just say bat, is that bag or is it bat? The end sound, very important. All of the sounds are very important. But you're doing a great job. A great job. You really did. Okay. What is it? Shout it out. Shout out the word. Come on, guys. No, I couldn't hear you. Shout the word. That's right. It's a monkey. Oh, what? Oh, no. What is it? You're right. Cat. Cat. So what's that? That's right. Hat. Hat. Cat. Hat. And you see, two letters are the same. Only one is different. Every sound is important. K, cat. H, hat. What's next? Do you remember? I think that might be a new word for you. P, a, n, pan. I need one of these, really. My head gets very hot in the sun. I need a cap. Well, we've just said this word, haven't we? That's right. Now, is it the at? Wah, wah. The at, g, bag. So this one is the at, bat. Well done. That's me. Well, it's not me. That one has nice hair. What is it? M-a-n, man. And we've got space for just one more. Can you remember? Cat, hat, pan, cap, bag, bat, man. There it is. Fan. Oh, well, that was really super. Now, we see these two guys every week. When we see these two guys, it means it's time to say goodbye. You were really good today. Really good. Lots of at words. But don't forget, every sound is important. Say the sounds. Okay? Thank you guys. That was really great. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.